MadDash, and tonight we're going glow kayaking in the middle of the ocean. Let's go. I'm in a kayak. Oh guys, come on. Watch out, guys. Oh my God, Dad, you're sinking. Look at his. I'm already wet. Hello. Hey guys, we're out here in the middle of the ocean and I'm soaking wet. Honestly, it's a little scary, but we're doing the thing. See, oh God, we're gonna fall in.
You see it?
Right there.
Where? Right there.
Right there. Oh, it moved. Yes, it's our first find. We just found a stingray, but I think it moved. Oh no, it's right there. I can't believe I found it. For sure, I stepped on one of those yesterday. All right, we're paddling, and what is that? Oh, dude, a fish just jumped right there. That's pretty cool. So right now we're in the kayak, and we're looking for stuff. And we already found a stingray. Dash. Nick. Dad, I just saw a fish with his face. Super weird. Look how shallow this is. I'm touching. That's weird. We were like in 20-foot deep water. Dash said he saw a sea star, and so we're looking for it. Ooh, what is this? Go where we haven't been.
How are we not finding any seashells?
We are. Moss. We found a spatula. What a weird thing. We found a spatula. Why would it be in the ocean though? Can I let it go?
It's covered in barnacles.
Yeah,
Can we let it go?
Can we? We went right across the big one.
Don't, Maddox, you can't shine that in my face.
Whoa, look at that shell right there. I know. You see it? Look at all that stuff down there. What is that? Oh, look at that hermit crab right there. Okay, just stand up and get in the water.
Pull it forward, Maddox.
Starfish.
Yes.
Thank you for the help.
The coolest thing that I saw was a stingray, and I found a little crab. The coolest thing I saw is probably the stingray too, because that was pretty cool.